got a lot on my mind. She got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind.
Hey man, this your boy Chris Aaliyah, aka CEasy. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle end. Welcome back to another video. But in today's video, as y'all can see, I got my car behind me. We will be doing the first mod to the car. It's nothing too big, it's nothing too major, but I feel like it's gonna add a nice little, you know, to this thing, you know what I'm saying? But as you can see, I got the little piece right here. See, as you can see, it's really small. Ain't nothing too major. Basically, what I will be installing will be a logo shadow light. If y'all don't know what that is, and like newer cars like Mustangs, Mercedes, you know, Beamers, they all kind of have it. When you open the door, it kind of shows the logo. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do this to this car. You guys stay tuned. Bro, you got so much noise going on. All right, you guys, so on this part, I'm basically going to walk y'all through it step by step on how we're going to do this last piece, okay? First things first, you need to identify the light. The light is right here. Very small. It's not even an LED type light. It's like a warm light. The second thing is you will need your tools, okay? So we have a flathead screwdriver right over here, as y'all can see, and we have a regular screwdriver. Hey, don't give me no shade about the little color, but hey, so we have these two. This is literally all we're gonna need. It's like a 3-minute process, and we're gonna get right started. Before that, we have our little package right over here. And the package, it comes with this inside. And it's not even like no type of how-to manual or anything like that. Second thing that is needed, obviously, this piece right here. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. The screwdriver. Okay. So this part, we need to work it in. As y'all can see, once I get in there, it's a slight, and you hear a slight little pop. Go lower with it. Ooh, as y'all can see, the boy's struggling. Only reason why I'm struggling is just because mine is slightly too big. But as we went ahead and we popped it off. And you see this right over here? The next step that we're gonna need to do, this piece right in here, you're gonna have to press it down with a screwdriver, and then it will allow you to slide this piece off. Now, we got the little screwdriver. This might be a little hard for me to do, so I'm gonna set it up. Be careful, this piece is really hot. As y'all can see, I've gotten it. There we go. Oh shoot. And I may have broken this one. And it's hot. Now it's time to install the main piece right over here. Easy, quick. As you can see, it's gonna light up as soon as you place it in. Apply it just as so. Just give it a little notch. See guys, and y'all see that? That is what it's all about right over here. It's nice, it's subtle, kind of adds something to the car. And I think it's different, man. I think it's different. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when it's literally pitch black, and we're gonna see if it's really nice or if it's not, man. I think it's a cool little mod just because of the fact that this piece over here, it used to be a warm, it wasn't even an LED light, which didn't make any sense because the headlights are LED. But I'm gonna give y'all a second. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna see this. All right, you guys, so now it's time for the finished product. You know, no more games. I'm about to show you guys basically what it looks like. So come along and we're gonna come and see this. Y'all peep that. Oh my God. Adds just a little detail to it. It's light. Ain't nothing too major. This side, since it's kind of light over here, and this garage is kind of hard to see, but it's how it looks. I'm gonna show y'all on this side. You know, that's crazy, man. Check it. But yeah. Alright, you guys, but anyways, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave links in the description for like different car models if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Whether you're driving a Beamer, Mercedes, Acura, Toyota, Challenger, whatever it is, you guys go ahead and do the same exact thing. But anyways, if you like this video, make sure you go ahead and like it up. Make sure you subscribe. The boy is literally so close to 200 subscribers with like 30 subs off. Let's go ahead, keep running that up. Without further ado, it's your boy CEasy, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that 29. 9. I got AK with the scores and 9. 9.